Hey there! So this spreadsheet is all about your home maintenance. So if you're trying to keep track of who your maintenance providers are, when the next service date is, did they come, have you paid them, this is the perfect spreadsheet for you to keep everything in track. So we've got a service, the actual service. So if it's air conditioning, heating, water, septic, plumbing, anything that possibly needs maintenance, the frequency of it, the name of the company, the phone number, website, the cost, date of service, completed date, and if you've paid them or not, and some notes. So this is just a handy little spreadsheet. I've got this spreadsheet also in a larger bundle. So it's like a full home maintenance package. So if you need that, feel free to find me on my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below if you found me on YouTube. Um, also have my own website called savvyandthriving.com. So let me just show you how this works. First of all, you can change the colors if you want to. Like if you don't like my pink, you just highlight the cell and click here to fill color and change it to something different. If you like green or anything else, that's fine. I'm going to hit Control Z to undo that. Okay, so the service, I'm just gonna delete this here, and then if you want to just write, I don't know, plumbing, and then you just delete it out, and then just write, as needed or whatnot, um, and then you just type in everything. It's really easy. You can double click in here to choose a date, or you can even highlight it, delete it, and then choose date yourself. It's really that easy. Here at the bottom, there's another tab. When I'm done with this video, the link to watch this video will be in this tab. And that's it. So if you need anything, feel free to reach out, and I hope y'all have a good one.